We begin with chapter 4, ratio and proportion. Now first we have the definition of a ratio. A ratio is the relation which one quantity bears to another of the same kind. So whenever we compare two quantities, the two quantities should be of the same kind. And one more important point is they should be of the same units. Like say suppose we are comparing time. We cannot compare one in hours and one in seconds. If one of the quantity is in hours, the other quantity also should be converted into hours, or if one is in seconds, then the other also should be converted into seconds. Now we go to practice set 4.1. The first question: find the ratio of the first number to the second number from the given pairs of numbers in the reduced form. The first sub question: 72 and 60. Now, the ratio of 72 to 60 is written as 72 is to 60. The symbol with two dots is read as is to. So 72 is to 60. Now, when I want to simplify it, or say I have to convert it to the reduced form, I write it as a fraction. So 72 upon 60. Now, when I have to further simplify it, I write each of these terms, the numerator as well as the denominator, as a product of their factors and as a product of their common factors. That is, 72 is 12 into 6 and 60 is 12 into 5. Now, why is it important to write it as a product of their common factors? Because the highest common factor can be cancelled off. Like this, how we cancel 12 and 12. So, what is left now here? It is 6 upon 5. And we have to write it in the form of a ratio. So, we write it as 6 is to 5. Second sub question: 38 and 57. The ratio of 38 to 57 is written as 38 is to 57. And I told you, when we have to simplify it further, we write it as a fraction. So 38 upon 57. Now 38 is 19 into 2 and 57 is 19 into 3. So you see here again, we have written both the numerator and denominator as a product of the factors and the product of the highest common factor, which is 19. So 19 is in the numerator as well as in the denominator, which gets cancelled, and we are left with 2 upon 3, which is reduced to the ratio 2 is to 3. Coming to the third sub question, we have 52 and 78. The ratio of 52 to 78 is written as 52 is to 78, which when has to be simplified will be written as a fraction as 52 upon 78. Now the highest common factor in both 52 and 78 is 13, where 52 is 13 into 4 and 78 is 13 into 6. So we cancel this 13 and 13. What we are left is with 4 by 6. Now this can be simplified further by writing 2 into 2 upon 2 into 3. So 2 gets cancelled further. This becomes 2 upon 3, which as a ratio is written as 2 is to 3.